You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this county in England. If you want to learn more confusing names of famous places in Britain, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced in English as Suffolk. Yes, so it's not Suffolk. It looks like the spelling makes it look like it should be pronounced Suffolk or Suffolk, folk, right? But it's not. It's pronounced Suffolk. Suffolk is how it's pronounced, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.